Wow, week 5 and the last module of segment 1. In 2 more weeks, you will have earned half credit of digital information technology. I've mentioned a few times before that there's help resources available on the course homepage. Well, this week, those resources are critical. So make sure that you know where to find them, and we'll talk about them more in just a few minutes. A collaboration live lesson is required and you're running out of time. If you've not completed this live lesson, find a time this week. Attend the live lesson for 1 hour. No partner is required. Remember to check your grade feedback. You're inching closer and closer to the finish line, and if you need to resubmit any work, now's the time. All right, let's take a look at the work for this week. We're looking at Module 4, which is all about Excel. And don't forget, your help resources and tutorials can be found here as well as on your PACE plan page. You'll need them this week. There's several YouTube videos that are helpful for your Module 4.02 assignment. Let's take a look at 4.01. You'll need your note-taking guide. 4.01 is called Spreadsheet Basics. You'll be learning all about Microsoft Excel. If you have not already signed up for an Office Online account, you can do that in Lesson 2.01. You'll need to make sure that you are using Excel and not a Google spreadsheet software or something else. This assignment will require the use of Microsoft Excel, either through Office Online or on your desktop. This particular lesson is 9 pages long, and as you work through the lesson, use your note-taking guide. When you reach the last page, you'll see that it does direct you to your 4.01 Spreadsheet Basics quiz. Now let's look at 4.02, which is an assignment. 4.02 is preceded by a lesson, and your lesson is called Formatting Formulas and Functions. You'll learn all about using calculation methods in Excel, which makes Excel very powerful. All right, so it's 6 pages long. Use your note-taking guide, and when you reach page 6, you'll see that you do have an assignment here. This one is super simple for you because you have YouTube resources. Make sure that you use them. The grading rubric is found here. Here's the directions. You'll create a spreadsheet, and this is all about you and your activities that you do in a day. This could include sleeping, extracurricular, maybe your schoolwork or homework. And remember, we're doing this in activity minutes, not hours. There's 1,440 minutes in one day. So you need to make sure that your activities add up to a full 1,440 minutes. So the activities will include the items listed here in B. Might include sleeping, schoolwork, homework, extracurricular, or so on. These are the things that you will list and make sure that they add up to 1,440. Your spreadsheet might look something like this. Remember, you have your YouTube tutorials. Okay, once you've logged your activities, you'll do some calculations. Notice that there are hints out beside each of the items listed here. These are very helpful, but they're also demonstrated in your YouTube tutorials. For your if statement, if you get stuck, all you need to do is copy and paste this highlighted portion from equal sign to close quotation and place it in the box that is required, which is B13. If you do that and press enter, your if statement will work. It's a piece of cake. Step 4 is your analysis. This is where you will be required to change the cell to green or blue or yellow based on whether it's your highest percentage, second largest, or third largest percentage. Now remember, you're changing the color of the cell. You're not changing the color of the font or the text. So make sure that you're doing a cell fill, not a font color change. All of this is also provided in your step-by-step tutorials. Then you'll save your work and submit for a grade. All right, that was a piece of cake. Now let's go ahead and move on to your 4.03 assignment, which is the last lesson for this week. You'll need your note-taking guide. This one's called Data Delivery. Again, it's Excel, and it will be 9 pages long, and it's just lessons that will require your note-taking. No assignment is required here, no Excel assignment, but you do have a quiz. You have your 4.03 Data Delivery quiz. I hope you enjoyed getting started with Excel this week and found how powerful it can be for providing calculations. I look forward to continuing Excel with you next week. Have a great week.